Hi everyone, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I'm here again at the Dollar Tree looking at these adorable Easter items. Look at these 12 count string lights. Aren't they pretty? And these cute trucks, the metal white one and the blue with the pastel flowers and the bed of the truck. So cute. And this one that has the carrot in the back of the truck. Love these blue, white, and pink candles. And this adorable yellow chick and white little bunny soap dispenser. This yellow tin chick and blue Easter bunny in the back there. These floral Easter bunnies, so cute and pretty. You could put them out for Easter or spring. These are so adorable. Welcome to our patch. And this one right here, love the some bunny kisses. There's 3 different styles here. Somebody loves you. Love those. These are all in the 5 and below section. These bunnies are just so pretty, so cute. This egg garland, it's in the more natural style with the eggs and some pine cones. Love those. Very pretty colors. And then you've got the other ones here that are the more robin's egg colored eggs. Those are really pretty too. These bottle brush carrots, carrot brush tree is what they're calling them. So cute. That would look cute with these little gnomes. You got the pink hat, the blue hat. They're tin. Then they kind of wobble a little bit. This one that says Hello Spring with the bunny and the carrot. And let's see here. Do we got any other ones? Happy Easter in the back there. And look at all the different gnomes with the different colored hats. They're $3. They're 16 inches. It's pretty big. And they've got all different styles. I love these. These are back from last year. I bought one of them last year. I think I'm going to add on to it this year and get a couple more because they're just so cute. They're tall with the cute little Easter colors. And for $5, you just can't beat it. This one says Happy Easter. These are only $3. It's a little bobble Easter bunny. And they've got some gnomes back there too. Here we've got more of the wood bead Easter eggs and more of the gnomes and the metal. Look at those pretty lanterns. Those are really pretty. They're solar lanterns. I love these. These are so pretty at night, lit up, or could even light them up during the day. They're just really pretty. And we've seen some of these before in my last video, these peeps. This is new. I haven't seen this. This Easter greetings. Look at how pretty these are. And it's a really solid wood. It's kind of a heavy wood there. Love this one. Oh, so pretty. These are only $3. This is a really good deal here with the burlap bunny and the cute little bunny tail, little cotton bunny tail. Then we've got these that say Happy Easter. These are $5 window hanging. They would look good on a door or on a wall or a shelf. So pretty with the flowers. Love these too. Love these for hanging on a wall or a door with the tulips and the burlap bow there. That is really pretty. Then they've got these really big wreaths with the Easter eggs on them in the kind of a pink and white checkered kind of ribbon there. And more floral wreaths with the egg, the different colored eggs and flowers on them. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love these. Let's see here. These are really nice. They have the different colored flowers in them with the yellow sunflower or the pink and white or the pretty purple colors. Then you got this peony flower pot with the pink peonies in it. So pretty. And let's see what else we can find here. We saw those eggs before in my last video. This adorable bunny. You could use this as a pillow on your sofa or hanging on a door would be cute also. What do we have here? More bunny garland. Super cute for only $3. Little bunny tail heads here with their little ears. Love those. And these I haven't seen before. They're got the sparkly Easter eggs and kind of sparkles on the greenery here. Really festive for Easter. In the pot, the tin pots. And we saw these in my last video, those Happy Easter ones. Love all these fluffy pillows with the Easter colors. These blankets are really popular. Went to a store today and they all of these were gone. So I found these again at my local store because they just put these out. But they seem to be selling pretty fast at certain stores. Hanging with my peeps, love those. And these were all sold out too at the other store I went to today. So I guess they're really popular this year. The peeps that they light up. Super cute little peeps. They're big peeps actually though for $5. And all of these marshmallow peeps in so many flavors. Oh my goodness, so delicious. So I'll keep checking back at different Dollar Trees to see if I can find any more new spring and Easter items. But until then, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Get you some chocolate peeps. And I'll see you again real soon.